Hello and welcome to Axxign. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the really interesting features in this software. Um, First of all, we're just going to start with the teams because you're probably going to work in a team, so might as well learn how to create a team. And it's really easy. You just click here and create a team. Just use a simple name. I will just say Axxign project team and I'll just choose not to give it a description. Okay, create and invite team members, and here we go. So I'm now the team manager, and I can invite someone else. So let's invite me with my real name. uh, okay, send invite, and now I'll get an email which I can use to become a member of this team. Okay, so now we have a project team. I'm not going to accept it right now. Just going to create a project. So let's say we're going to build a website. We already have one, but that doesn't matter. So website. And the team is going to be assigned project team and description, no description. And I want it done next week. It's a bit bold, but I want it done next week. Create and add tasks. So the first thing you're going to do probably is set the requirements. Then you're going to think about the design, and then you're going to think about maybe well, development, and then at some point it's go live. Well, actually, before we go live, we just want to do some marketing stuff. So maybe some SEO or whatever. And so that's why we can now change the order, make it go back from the last spot to the second last spot. Okay, now we have this. We can just say, well, this is interesting. What kind of requirements do we have to, well, maybe we need to talk to potential customers. Um, Maybe something else. I don't know, but you can just add your tasks here and they will come in a specific order. So if I go A and then B and C, and I don't like the order, I can just say, well, A goes here, B goes there, and maybe this one goes above A. And it's just really that simple. Same thing with design and development and at marketing, you can just add your stuff and change the order if you want to. You can also use a list view, so you can just put it like this if that's what you fancy. Then you have the project information. This is going to be a nice graph at some point when you have some information and some data in your project. So here you can see the last month in a chart, as in how many of the tasks are open, in progress, or completed. Okay, so the next thing is the team chat. I'm still alone because my invitation has not been accepted yet, but as soon as I accept my own invitation, I can see it. I can see everything that's been put here, even before I became a project member. So this is really a great way to just put everything in there and make it readable for everyone. So now I could just say, oh geez, I'm all alone, and add this guy in here and send it. So that's really nice. Here you can just edit your project, maybe add a description, and we're back to where we were. As you can see in the project information tab, there is open, in progress, and completed. So let's, for example, say that now we have one open, we have two in progress, and this one's completed. If I want, I can hide them because now I have show completed tasks on, but I can turn it off and then it's gone. And if you want to see it again, just click it again and there it is. Now, if I go to the dashboard because we have a new project, you can now see the the status of your project here. So one task is completed, then two are still in progress, and one is still open. The other things I would like to show you are language settings. So if I want, I can change to Spanish, or I can change to Dutch, and then go back to English again. So it's really great for working in an international team. We only have 3 languages right now. There are going to be more. If anybody wants to help out, just let me know. Um, Now we have the to-do list as well. So if you just want to see everything that's in progress, you can see it here. And if you click it, then you get back to the screen for that specific project. So actually, this to-do list is really, really good if you have like maybe 10 or 12 things you're doing simultaneously, and because that's just how life works. You're never busy doing one thing. So you can just keep that in one overview and just click it whenever you feel necessary. So this is the other one. This is everything that's open. So that's probably going to be maybe 100 things, maybe even more. But at least you have one list, and you can print it or whatever and just put it on your desk, or don't use paper at all, save a tree. So this is basically what you're going to get when you sign up for a free account. It is free. It's going to stay free. Um, we're definitely not in it to make money, because we do that by creating custom software for our customers, and this is just our internal tool that we used for some time and decided to make it public. So I just hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can really do fun stuff with your teams in it, and and well, just let me know if you think there's anything that should be added or changed or whatever, and we can look at it. And yeah, I think that's a great end to this video. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in Axxign. And if you have any feedback, just let me know.